Hey guys, this is Sal and welcome to one more awesome episode of Make a Difference Today series. Make a Difference Today series में आप सभी का स्वागत है. And first of all, thank you so much for this overwhelming response on this beautiful series. And मैं आशा करता हूँ आपकी लाइफ में ये beautiful series हर हफ्ते न्यू वैल्यू ऐड कर रही है. और उसी के साथ इस हफ्ते हम लोग काफी इंटरेस्टिंग और काफी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, बिकॉज पिछले हफ्ते तक हमने एक्शन इनएक्शन वगैरह वगैरह टॉपिक्स को डिस्कस किया है. But in this particular episode, we are not just going to discuss about the topic which can help you to make your day, not even week, not even month, not even year, but your overall life. And ये जो topic है, that is what we call as morning ritual. Because जो मैं आज overall blueprint share करने वाला हूँ, that is the blueprint which is followed by every single high performer, high achiever in this world, whether you take best of the best people in this world in terms of their health, wealth, relationship, or whatsoever. The people, those who are making the bigger difference in this world, every single individual is more or less following this particular ritual which I'm going to share today. And I can guarantee this one single thing from my own experience कि जो भी मैं आज इस वीडियो में शेयर करने वाला हूँ, if you follow all these things one by one into your life, if you inculcate all those things one by one into your daily habit, then ultimately you will also become one of those high performers who is able to make a difference in this world. And ultimately he or she is able to live a life with full abundance and many other things as well. And let me quickly share with you the overall morning ritual. And there are two things, which are involved इन मॉर्निंग रिचुअल जो हर कोई फॉलो करता है मोर और लेस. जैसे कि मैंने बताया, थोड़े से ट्वीक्स करते हैं हर कोई, बट डेफिनेटली दिस इज लाइक द ओवरऑल सॉर्ट ऑफ ब्लूप्रिंट. तो सबसे पहला जो मॉर्निंग रिचुअल है, दैट इज टू टेक चार्ज ऑफ द फर्स्ट 60 मिनट. और फर्स्ट 60 मिनट यानी कि लेट्स अज्यूम यू आर वेकिंग अप एट मॉर्निंग 7 o'clock. तो उसके बाद पहला जो 1 घंटा है उसमें what are the activities which high performers do? They don't check out WhatsApp, they don't check out Facebook, they don't check out Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or whatsoever. They do all these 3 activities which are also divided in 20-20-20 chunk. यानी कि 3 activities हैं जो कि हर हाई परफॉर्मर, हर हाई अचीवर 20-20 मिनट इन तीनों एक्टिविटीज को देता है, मोर और लेस लाइक 15 minutes, 20, sometimes 25 minutes as well, so that they can take charge of their day. So first and foremost thing is 20 minutes of exercise. It could be yoga, it could be gymming, it could be stretching, it could be running, it could be any other thing as well which suits you. यानी कि अगर आपको योगा करना पसंद है, do yoga. If you like to do meditation plus some sort of yoga, do it. If you like to do gymming, do it. If you like to do running, do it. If you only like to do stretching, do it. But that's a must, because what we do is जब हम सुबह को उठते हैं तो अल्टीमेटली हमें लगता है कि यार लेट्स स्लीप सम मोर टाइम. बट व्हेन यू स्टार्ट योर डे विद एक्सरसाइजिंग, जिमिंग, स्ट्रेचिंग एंड सो ऑन, तो अल्टीमेटली आपकी बॉडी जितनी स्लीपी होती है, जितने भी सेल्स, नर्व्स वगैरह थोड़े से उनमें नींद होती है, वो ऑटोमेटिकली खुल जाते हैं. एंड यू ऑटोमेटिकली बी इनटू द जोन ऑफ like what we call as being more attentive, right? Even you might have observed while doing any kind of exercise, थोड़ा सा जो हमारा ब्लड प्रेशर है, इट बिकम्स मोर फास्ट, जो हमारी हार्ट बीट है वो और फास्ट हो जाती है. एंड अल्टीमेटली इट हेल्प्स अस टू बी मोर अलाइव, बी मोर प्रेजेंट इनटू दैट मोमेंट. So first is 20 minutes of exercise. Second comes 20 minutes of inspiration. It could be motivational video, it could be inspirational video, it could be audio books, it could be meditation, it could be sort of reading books or any other thing as well which helps you to be more inspired. यानी कि it could be anything. जैसे कि मैंने काफी सारे एग्जांपल दिए. You have to choose your anything. यानी कि कौन सी ऐसी चीज है which can make me inspired to do work for rest of my day, right? Because ultimately once you start your day with inspiration, then it automatically helps you to complete all your tasks as soon as possible. And जो काम को आपको 1 घंटा लगने वाला था, there is also a very high chance कि वो काम 50 मिनट में, 40 मिनट में, maybe sometime 30 minutes में भी हो जाए. Because this is also what happened with me in like the initial days. अब तो it's completely habit. जो हो चुका है वो हो चुका है. Like it's like कोई टास्क ऐसे होते हैं जिनको मुझे खुद को लगता है मेंटली कि यार इसका 1 घंटा लग जाएगा, बट व्हाट हैपेंस इज व्हेन आई स्टार्ट माय डे विद इंस्पिरेशन, तो लगभग आधे घंटे में, 40 मिनट में हो जाता है. एंड इट कैन आल्सो सेव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ टाइमिंग, जो आप अपने अलग टास्क में, जो दूसरे टास्क हैं उस पे इन्वॉल्व कर सकते हो, उसमें इंप्लीमेंट कर सकते हो. एंड यू कैन आल्सो टेक सम टाइम ऑफ फ्रॉम दैट. So that is the second thing. And third is planning your day. What a lot of people do, this is completely up to you, because what a lot of people do is they plan their day one day before the initial day. Let's assume आज मंडे है, तो वो मंडे की प्लानिंग संडे को सोने से पहले करेंगे. And this is also absolutely all right. But what I do suggest is, because even so far, I also do Sunday planning, like I do Sunday को planning. But if you feel कि यार मुझे Sunday को planning नहीं करनी, मुझे उसी दिन planning करनी है कि आज मुझे पता लगेगा कि कौन से meetings हैं, मुझे यहाँ seminar देना है, यहाँ webinar देना है, workshop करना है. So that is completely up to you. You have to plan your day, whether it is one day before or even if it's on the current day, but it should be in the first 1 hour itself. So these are the 3 things which are in the chunk of 20 minutes, which you can follow so that you can take charge of the first 1 hour of your day. And mark my words, अगर आप अगले 30 days तक ये तीनों चीजों को अपनी लाइफ में inculcate कर रहे हो, one by one, all of these will become the part of your life. It will become a part of your subconscious mind. जैसे ही आप उठोगे, you will not touch your phone, but you will start doing stretching, you will start doing meditation, you will start reading books, you will start planning your day, and so on. Right? So this is for the first 60 minutes, and what comes next, that is going to be very important, because हमने planning वगैरह तो कर लिया, हमने ground work तो कर लिया, but what comes next is that top project. पहले हमने 60 मिनट्स हमने ये सारी चीजें कर ली, प्लानिंग वगैरह, एक्सरसाइज, स्ट्रेचिंग, इंस्पिरेशनल वीडियोस एंड लर्निंग समथिंग न्यू काइंड ऑफ. नेक्स्ट टू दैट हमें पहले 90 मिनट्स यानी कि पहला 1.5 घंटा हमें टॉप प्रोजेक्ट पर इन्वेस्ट करना है. इट कुड बी एनी ऑफ द थिंग्स, इट कुड बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एग्जांपल आई एम गिविंग, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हेल्थ. लेट्स अज्यूम अगर मुझे वेट गेन करना है, सो आई नीड टू गो टू जिम, आई नीड टू टेक प्रॉपर डाइट एंड सो ऑन. तो ये मेरा टॉप प्रोजेक्ट होना चाहिए फॉर कपल ऑफ नेक्स्ट मंथ. Then comes wealth in terms of like trading, in terms of investing, in terms of your anything. And third comes in the form of business. ये सिर्फ example है. This is not completely mandatory कि आपको इन तीनों पे ही focus करना है. For somebody it could be in terms of relationship. For somebody it could be in terms of something else. Right? Let's take for example for me, for today's day, my top projects were कि ये मुझे presentation वगैरह create करना है so that I can deliver this session. I have to record some other sort of videos. मुझे planning करना था कि मुझे sessions वगैरह deliver करने हैं. Right? So those were my top projects and I did it in the morning itself. Right? So that's how you also have to focus on the things, because even ये चीज मैंने like I listened to a lot of podcasts, and even that is why I started my podcast series as well. तो मैंने ये चीज even recently I learned from Jeff Bezos as well. He mentions कि उनके दिन की शुरुआत जब भी होती है, he starts his day with the top priority projects, because जब भी हम शुरुआत करते हैं दिन की, हमारा जो ब्रेन है that is having most of its decisive power, because till the end of the day हमारा जो decision making power है वो थोड़ा सा उसको जंग लग जाती है. Right? So to have the best possible outcome, you have to focus on your top priority projects for the first 90 minutes of the day itself, and it could be anything. And no matter what happens, it's not mandatory कि यार मुझे सिर्फ health पे ही focus करना है. It could be in terms of wealth, it could be in terms of business, or it could be in terms of anything. But please do make sure that you have your own priority at its place. For a couple of months, it could be health. For a couple of months, it could be business. It could be health. It could be any other thing as well. So you have to decide what is your top priority and your top project, because that is going to create a bigger difference into your life. So I hope that you have got immense value and clarity from this particular video as well. And मैं आशा करता हूँ that this particular video is gonna make not just your day, not just your week, not just your month, not even your year, but your overall life as well. And please do make sure that you share your biggest takeaways in the comment section, and share this particular video with at least one friend of yours. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, live fully, love openly, and make the difference today. I wish you joy and abundance in all you do.